I came here to the Tech Expo to plan ahead for my future.
Well, we wanted to learn more about the health, like, industry, like what classes we need to take or like what we need to do to actually get to the medical field and stuff.
To find more information on the class I wanted to maybe join.
Computer-aided design. What they do is pretty cool over there and how many programs they offer. It's pretty nice.
I need education. I need to figure out where I'm going to go with life. I actually am now more interested with the dental thing. What was it?
Dental assisting?
The dental assistant.